When you work as a pharmacy technician, you'll usually work under the direction and supervision of a licensed pharmacist. But the degree to which you can do your job well and advance in your position will be determined by how well you can do the job expected of you. Being a pharmacy technician encompasses so much more than just counting up pills, filling prescriptions, and ringing up orders for the customer. This video will give you a basic overview of what your day might be like and what skills you are expected to have to do well as a pharmacy technician. Apothecaries were individuals who, historically, prepared medical compounds. This sometimes required them to concoct mixtures and package them for customers. As a pharmacy technician, some of your day will require you to similarly prepare medications, transferring medications from vials to their syringes, or preparing intravenous packs. Medicines usually require very specific storage to keep them fresh and effective. You will be expected to know how to store all medicines properly and to keep them from harm. You'll also be expected to fill medicine bottles and label them precisely. This is quite important considering the dangers Americans face every year from taking the wrong doses or even the wrong medications because they look so much alike. Good strong math skills are definitely a plus here. After preparing medications, you'll be expected to know how to sterilize your equipment and calculate the charges for what you've prepared. Customers will always expect you to be knowledgeable about the various aspects of your job, including how to use medical devices and different healthcare products. Quite honestly, you and the pharmacist will probably be wearing similar white robes, and customers will expect as much out of you as they do out of him. Customer service skills are going to get you ahead in this respect. Some components of your job will definitely require skill with the public. You'll need to be able to make phone calls and verify prescriptions. Remember all the things we used to say about doctors and their handwriting. You'll also be expected to answer the phone and work with customers, some of whom will be very sick and cranky. You'll of course be expected to know how to run a cash register and do receiving and often purchasing. This of course means that you will have to have a good understanding of how inventory works. Since most companies do inventories electronically, having a good understanding of technology is really a benefit. There is indeed much that you need to know and be able to do as a pharmacy technician. It may seem daunting at times to remember everything, be able to run everything, and stay on top of everything without snapping at cranky customers, but that is just some of what you'll learn when you get your pharmacy technician education. Oh, and those fancy Latin names are impossibly long and very difficult to pronounce. Please visit us at pharmacytechniciansalaryData.com for more information on pharmacy technician salaries and the training needed to get started in this exciting career field, plus a whole lot more.